Okay, this is a breakup working. Okay, I've got these are really hot chilies. I mean, really hot. They're actually stinging my hands. So I've put the photographs, a photograph for the guy, a photograph for the girl, man, woman, in each of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff the chilies with a bit more oils and powders. So, because we want as much heat into this working as possible. So it's cayenne powder or pepper, whatever you like to powder. Okay. Don't really need chili at the minute. Got mustard seeds in there for discord. Okay. And separation. Some separation oil. Again, seeing in your mind's eye the couple, partner company. And Hex and Hate oil. Because we certainly want them to hate each other. This woman is disgusting. She really is. She's running around making threats, etc. So we definitely want her to go. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bind each one up. Just to make sure that as I bind the chili there, I was stating my petition for this person to hate the other person, basically. Okay, the same for this one. Just do the same. Away from me, you're calling out. And I will be doing their divorce petition for this as well. And I'll be doing it in this video because I'm time limited, but I'll do it in another video where I print out the divorce template and I write their names on it and the date. It's basically just like him filing for divorce. So I find that quite a good idea. I'm quite pleased with that idea. It's quite original. Okay, so I'm going to place these in beside the petition. One down and one up. Get in there. Sorry for the rattling. I'm sure you hear an echo as well because I'm in my kitchen at the minute. I'm getting that other bedroom worked out. You know, it's been tidied up a bit. So I'm putting in some vinegar and see the argument, see the breakup, see the divorce, see it all happen. Your will is the most important thing. It doesn't matter. Excuse that noise as well. I hate it. It truly doesn't matter about all these bits and pieces. It's your will. It's the most important thing. I'm going to leave that there because I don't want that exploding. I'm going to put some drawing pins in there for this card because they're sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I'm going to put in some separation powder. Again, I add to these store-bought things. I prefer to make my own, but if I'm in a jam, if I'm backed into a corner, I will buy them and add to them because I don't trust them at all. I think they're very synthetic, especially the oils. There's no herbs in them and stuff. Restless powder, because we want these two to be at each other's throats, basically. Sorry, I'm talking low. It's just, again, I've got this sore throat. The never-ending sore throat saga. These are actually screws, and they're rusty, very rusty. I hope I've got 5. I like them to be in odd numbers, so that's 5. Okay, cat hair and dog hair. Symbolic of, I hate the touch of cat hair, I just have a thing about it. Use dog hair any day. It's just like coarse or something, it's not nice. Okay, sulfur. We really want this bitch gone because even from her photograph, her aura, it's just horrible. You can tell she's there for reasons that are not genuine. Nasty, nasty lady. And lady's being very complimentary when I say that. Some chili flakes. Discord. Okay, I think I've got some commanding oil. I'm going to command them to, I command you to break up. I command you to leave. Okay, so I'm going to work on this one for quite a while. She's going to be an interesting target, like mustard seeds. Discord again. But at the end of the day, I really want to see the back of her, and whatever it takes. I didn't put almond powder in there. I think I'm going to need almond powder because she looks like a loud one. Almond powder, great for court work. It shuts up the opposition. It does. Poppy seeds. Confusion, discord, all the rest. No, let me think what else I'm going to do. I'm going to put some cemetery dirt in here because I want to make a final on it. Okay. Oh, there's a cat here. What about that fluff was? It's actually the cat here. Okay. Before I'm just going to draw a few of these. They've been shuffled, so I'll just give them a quick shuffle around. I'll just read a few of these to see what's going on with this relationship. Marriage. I'm not going to seal it up yet because I want to do that when this is finished. I have a few more things to do on this. So I'll just give this, I have shuffled this, I'll just give it a quick jiggle around. They feel funny, these cards. They're not very heavy, and that's why they keep flipping out of my hands. Okay, I'll start back. Oh, well. Greed. Yeah, from what I've heard about her, greed definitely rings true. Failure. Whether she's making him feel that way, maybe making you, the client, feel that way, don't let her if that's the case. Regret. He's regretting. I think you know that. He's regretting marrying her. Strength. And we'll go for one more. Cowardice. So there you go. So she is, I don't think she's all she's cracked up to be, so leave these now. I need to shuffle those again. So basically, I think she's going to come down, but it might take some time, but not to worry. Keep your head up. I'll be doing some spiritual calling on this one, and because I know that you two have a deep connection, and I'll probably do some more oracle cards on the next video with regards to you and him, not with regards to those two. I know you're coming through a bit there too, I feel, but it's really showing me everything you told me about her being just I can't even express it. But so I've got everything in here, and I'll be working on this. I'm gonna say probably for the 3 weeks, the full 3 weeks, and we'll see how we get on. So I'm gonna link you this video, and hopefully you can hear me. But I'll be working on it from tonight onwards, and shoot me an email whenever you want. That goes for everyone. Email me whenever you want. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. It is kind of busy for me, but don't worry, I will get back to each and every one of you. It does take time for me. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours, and Gmail is bizarre at times. It doesn't notify me of new messages. Just please don't resend them. What I do is I scroll through all my messages. I do that periodically, and I'll see your new message. But it would be nice if I was notified, but whatever. So anyway, it's thehouseofmagick@gmail.com.